Hey everyone, it's Lee here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a call on your iPhone while hiding your caller ID. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. There are two ways to hide your caller ID on your iPhone. The first way is to go into your Settings app. Scroll down in the Settings app to the Phone section and tap on Show My Caller ID. If you toggle it on, your caller ID will be visible to the person you're calling. To turn it off and show up as no caller ID, just toggle the switch to off. However, this setting applies to all calls you make. If you want to hide your caller ID for only one specific call, there's another trick. Open up the phone app, go to the keyboard and type in *67 followed by the phone number you want to call. For instance, if you want to call 555-123, what you'd want to type is *67 555-1234 and then hit the call button. This will hide your caller ID for that specific call. If you want to hide your caller ID for a specific person every time you can call them, you can add their number with the *67 in front of it to your contacts. This way, every time you call them, your caller ID will be hidden. Alternatively, you can turn off Show My Caller ID, toggle in the settings, making your call and then turn it back on. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks.